Wheesearchers, my name is Carly Ann and I am the marketing and content manager here at Wheesearch. And today I was going to share with you a little bit about how I got started in makeup with Wheesearch, putting on things on my face, and just telling you a bit about that story because I love makeup and I am very lucky that I get to work in a field where makeup is part of my everyday life. Before I get started though, please do not forget to subscribe because you want to get all the latest beauty updates. We've got live streams with new products, we've got our live stream show with Howard Reese, comparisons of products, and then of course you can always go check out all of the details on Wheesearch.com where we share all of our opinions about makeup and how it looks, wears, and feels. Also be sure to hit the notification bell because that will let you know whenever we make an upload and also let you know whenever we are live streaming. And lastly, be sure to also check out some more of the stories that we're going to be sharing here on this channel from our featured creators and in-house team. So, makeup. I have been doing makeup on my face since I was about 11 years old. Strangely enough, the same time I started drinking coffee. But when I was 11 years old, my dad actually gave me a palette of makeup. And my mom used to work at Redken, so I used to like raid her drawer for all of her makeup because she had like very glamorous style. Even when she was like a stay-at-home mom, she definitely made sure she dressed up every day, and I certainly inherited that gene. But I would go and raid her makeup drawers, and my dad actually gave me my first palette, which is kind of weird. It was actually in my Easter basket, and he said the Easter Bunny gave it to me, and then my mom looked at him and was like, "What? You're giving your 11-year-old daughter makeup? What are you doing?" and from that look actually was kind of the reason I started not believing in the Easter Bunny, because I was like, wait a minute, why would mom, what's going on here? Childhood ruined. My dad gave me my first palette and I opened it up and was so excited. It was a bunch of like the kind of thing you find at Claire's. The really cheap eyeshadows, and they were all purple and lilac, and me being like a total know-it-all, I was like, oh, I know how this works. Like, I know makeup. It's an eyeshadow, therefore it creates a shadow on your face. So I proceeded to use the little terrible cotton like applicator that they put with all of those things and put all the lilac shadow underneath my eyes.
Oh, and I went to town. I'm a boss. I know what's going on. And I'm layering. I'm like, make it sparkly, make it pop, makeup queen.
And I walked downstairs and I was like, Dad, what do you think? I wear makeup now. I'm totally cool. And he very kindly said, you know, honey, I think you should try it. I think you should try it up here. Just a thought. And I went, oh God, he's right. So I put all the eyeshadow up here from then on, which was good. Good learning point. Thanks, Dad, for not being a total jerk about it. Introducing me to this wonderful world. And since that point, honestly, I really look at that as the beginning of what started a long and tumultuous relationship with makeup, especially in high school. My mom never let me wear what I wanted to wear, which was black for days. I was one of those kids. I was so into like Tim Burton, and I wanted like the big, dark, round raccoon eyes, but I was afraid to put eyeliner on top of my eyelid, so it would only be down here. Oh, what a whole mess, you guys.
I'm 16 years old, and my three favorite things in the whole entire world are Johnny Depp, Helena Bonham Carter, and Tim Burton.
Never did my eyebrows, so my eyebrows grew out like all over my face, and it was not good. I did not know what I was doing. I would put all the dark colors in the inner corner of my eye, and I went wild because I was doing it on the bus because my mom wouldn't let me wear it to school, and it wouldn't last throughout the day. I forget mascara and lipstick all the time. It would literally just be like white with only a concealer stick from CoverGirl, because that was all I could afford, and then black on the eyes that was just like everywhere. And that would be it. That would be the whole thing. Go to school in all of my black clothes and all of my like weird makeup, and I wouldn't talk to anybody. I was very like strange and depressed in high school. And I had like very few friends. So that was most of high school, and it was not a pretty sight. It was not cute. But then I started watching YouTube, and YouTube really wasn't around. I graduated high school in 2010. So YouTube had just started becoming like this place where you could go find makeup tutorials, and I was like, maybe I should try that, because I've always been a do-it-yourself kind of person. And so went online. First two makeup artists I watched were Michelle Phan and Kenny Johnson, and I used to watch their stuff all the time. I fell in love with like a pinup style, and I was also really into Snow White, which I still am into Snow White, as you guys know. And so I started like putting more blush on, and I would use lipstick and like put that on as blush because I didn't have enough money to afford like buying blush and lipstick, so I would just pick one. And then I had like the sort of pinup-y like long wings. I got more comfortable with that. I started filling in my brows and like sort of progressing through that kind of style, and then that's just sort of finally morphed into what I do now, which now that I watch a lot of YouTube, I definitely have learned so much. Also, I practice a lot more. I try to get techniques that I really just have a hard time with. I used to like hate putting on eyelashes and I could not do it, and now I pretty much wear them with every look. Practice is huge for makeup. I think that it's so underrated. You have to just do it over and over and over and over and over again, and there are many more techniques that I am nowhere near very good at, but I am practicing and it's making me better every day. And that's how you can take some very confused, depressing child and turn her into a beautiful flower, or at least what appears to be the bud of a flower. This analogy is going places I didn't want it to go. I'm done. So all this goes to say, a couple of years ago, I decided that I really like doing makeup and I wanted to try to do it on a YouTube channel because I was so used to watching them and I had ideas for looks for myself. And I also really like music and I go to a lot of different performances and things like that. So what went from being just sort of a beginner's makeup channel turned into my current day makeup channel, which is called Carly Smashes Lipstick. And part of the reason I called it that is because I used to smash lipstick together to put on my face, and now it's just the name of my channel. And I love rocking a bold lip, and so it kind of works. I don't know, I think it works. And I teach music history alongside doing tutorials or formal events like concerts, because I love going to concerts. I love seeing live performances. I have a background in classical music, and so going to see performances with like really done up makeup that's inspired by the piece. Like if I'm going to see Rhapsody in Blue, I have a 1920s Rhapsody in Blue makeup look on. So that kind of turned into my whole channel, and then from that channel I met Hillary Sinclair, who runs Wheesearch at VidCon last year. So I've been with Wheesearch for a little over a year now as a featured creator. It's been amazing. I have met so many amazing people through this. I feel like I've been given such a great opportunity as a upcoming YouTuber and amateur makeup artist and just a creator in general. I have this great group of friends here. Everyone you see on here is so lovely and sweet in real life and so talented. It's just been such a blessing to work with everyone here, and then also breathe life into this very cool idea, which is Wheesearch.com. We want to make it super easy for you to buy makeup and experience a community of creators that are working to bring more beauty tutorials and to lift up more beauty creators. Because right now they're really, I really feel like the culture of the beauty creators on YouTube is very tumultuous and dramatic and crazy, and it's all over product, and it's like, why don't we have something simple and truthful to talk about makeup products, and that's really easy to see. So I fell in love with Hillary's vision for this, and now I'm very happy to say I'm working in the core team, and it feels so good. I absolutely love it. And yeah, that's kind of how I'm here now. You can go watch my YouTube channel as well. I do looks just like the one I'm wearing. I have a tutorial for this look, and I'm all about like formal makeup and teaching history and inspiring artistry. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching on Wheesearch Beauty, and we will see you guys in the next video on the Wheesearch Beauty YouTube channel. Bye!